Hello, my name is Dr. Cody Raper, and I'm the Director of Innovation for Cleveland City Schools. Cleveland City Schools recognizes the importance of technology in teaching and learning, and we're so excited to have these devices to provide to you. Let's take a quick overview of the device and look at how to use it. This MacBook by Apple represents the latest in hardware and software technology. It comes in a ruggedized case that's lightweight and still easy to carry around. The first screen you'll be presented with is the login screen. You'll notice that it has a Cleveland C background and a place for you to type in your email. This will be your entire clevelandschools.org email address that begins with your username and then completes the entire email. Once you've entered your entire email, you can scroll down and click Next. Alternatively, you can hit Enter to proceed to your password screen. The password is your regular Cleveland City Schools password. Again, you can scroll down and click the button or hit Enter to proceed. The first time you do this, you'll see a screen that looks like this as it creates a local account based on your Google credentials. This may take some time. Eventually, you'll see this. Once you're at this screen, you're almost there. There's no need to press any buttons. The system's automation will automatically create your account and get you logged in. Within a few moments, you'll see your desktop. The system will run some automated processes that may cause your screen to blink or icons to pop up and down on your desktop. Your wallpaper will be set automatically during this process, but don't worry, you can always change it to something you prefer as long as it's school appropriate. Perhaps one of the first things you should know are apps like Safari and Messages are blocked because you're forced to use Chrome and can't use Messages. Additionally, please note that to protect the integrity of the learning environment, Siri and AirDrop are also disabled on this device. To access Chrome and other apps, click on Launchpad. Launchpad contains all of your applications that you may use, such as Chrome, GarageBand, iMovie, Keynote, Pages, and more. You should notice Google Chrome in this list. If you don't see it, you can go get it and other applications that are available to you. Simply scroll to the next page by using two fingers or click on the second dot at the bottom. Once you're on the next page, click on Manager. Please note that because of some arrangements, it may not be on the second page, and Manager may be on the first page. Once this screen is loaded, you'll see all the applications that are available to you, including Google Chrome and other apps such as the Microsoft Office suite, including Microsoft Word and Microsoft PowerPoint. When you're finished with this application, you can either click the red X in the top left or click on Manager up in the menu bar and then choose Quit. If you've chosen to install something from Manager, remember that each of these applications does take time, so please be patient. Next, let's launch Chrome. Click on Launchpad, scroll back to the first page, and click on Google Chrome to launch the app. The first launch will take a few moments and present you with several dialogues. The first thing to do is choose Use Chrome in the notifications that appear. Then you can choose to allow notifications from the options at the top right. You must sign into Chrome with your Cleveland Schools account. Click on the silhouette of the avatar that says You. Enter in your full clevelandschools.org email and your password. You'll be presented with one more dialogue and should choose to turn on sync by clicking Yes, I'm in. Note that common CCS bookmarks are available for you, including Canvas, Google Classroom, ClassLink, Email, and PowerSchool. You can exit out of this window by clicking the red X at the top of the screen. Now, let's move our icon for Google Chrome so that it's easily available. All I did was click on the icon and drag it over. Safari can't be used, so let's hide it from the dock. Right-click on it by using two fingers and clicking on the trackpad, and then choosing Options, Remove from Dock. You can do the same thing for Messages. Continue to organize your dock however you would like to make it best for you. Now, let's look at file management. Here, I have a document in Chrome that I want to download. To download this file, I'm going to click on the download arrow in the top right-hand corner and choose Save. This will automatically go to my Downloads folder. The Downloads folder is located in your dock, and you can click View in Finder to see all of your downloaded files. Additionally, on the left, you can click on Documents or Desktop and see those if you had other files available. You can also access this menu by clicking on Finder in the bottom left. Let's look at a couple last features. First of all, Cleveland City Schools devices automatically connect to our Wi-Fi, but you can click the Wi-Fi icon in the taskbar and change it if you're at home. Additionally, by clicking on the menu icon, you have access to other settings, such as Bluetooth. You can also adjust the brightness of the display. Finally, macOS has a tool built in called Spotlight. Spotlight can be accessed by clicking on the magnifying glass in the top right menu bar. From there, you can type in a search term and search for applications or documents on your computer. In this case, I searched Chrome, and you can see that the first hit is Google Chrome. I hit Escape twice to get out of that. We sincerely hope you enjoy your new MacBook device. Even though this is just a quick start guide, feel free to watch it again. Let's end with a tip on navigating the trackpad and other useful features.
You can navigate on your Mac using intuitive gestures on your trackpad. Let's explore a few of them. Let's start with secondary click. This gesture is like right-clicking with a mouse. To do this, click or tap with 2 fingers. Now let's try the Smart Zoom gesture to quickly zoom in and out. Double tap with 2 fingers to zoom in, and double tap to zoom out. Or you can use 2 fingers to smoothly zoom in for a close-up on a photo, web page, or document. Spread 2 fingers apart to zoom in, then pinch your fingers together to zoom back out. You can also slide 2 fingers up or down to scroll. If you need to access your desktop quickly, you can do this by spreading your thumb and 3 fingers apart. Then reverse this gesture to place your windows back where they were. You can use Lookup to see more information when you're looking at a web page, document, or mail message. This action will be a little different depending on your trackpad. If you have a Force Touch trackpad, you can click and then firmly press with 1 finger to look something up. If you don't have Force Touch, just tap with 3 fingers. Need to launch a different app? Pinch your thumb and 3 fingers together to display Launchpad.
Need to save what's on your screen? Here's how to take a screenshot on your Mac. We'll show you how to take a screenshot using keyboard shortcuts and how to use the screenshot toolbar with macOS Mojave or later. Let's take a look at the different keyboard shortcuts you can use. First, we'll take a screenshot of the entire screen. Just press Shift-Command-3. When you take a screenshot, it appears as a thumbnail in the bottom right corner of your screen. If you leave it there, it will automatically save to your desktop by default. If you want to take a screenshot of a portion of your screen, press Shift-Command-4. This will turn your pointer into a crosshair. Move it to where you want to start the screenshot, click and drag to select an area, and release your trackpad or mouse. You can press the Escape key to cancel before releasing your trackpad or mouse if you've changed your mind. You can also use the Screenshot toolbar in addition to keyboard shortcuts. The Screenshot toolbar is useful for things like recording your screen and changing your screenshot settings. To open it, press Shift-Command-5. By default, the tools will appear at the bottom of the screen, but you can move them around if you like. You'll find the controls for taking a screenshot on the left-hand side. You can choose to capture the entire screen, a single window, or a portion of the screen. You'll also find tools for recording your entire screen or recording a portion of the screen. To view your customization options, click Options. Here, you'll find useful settings and features, like for setting a screenshot timer or changing your save location. Now you're ready to take your own screenshots with these handy shortcuts.